Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Maternity Guide. Today we will talk about a topic: why does leukorrhea occur in pregnancy? Many things seems unusual during pregnancy, such as occasional gurgling in the breast or white discharge from the vagina. By the way, it is normal to see white water from the vagina during pregnancy. Its color is like a light cloud and no smell comes from it. If experts are to be believed, this is not a cause of any kind of trouble, but despite this, many times experts says that when there is too much white discharge during pregnancy, then women should be aware of this. Reasons for white discharge during pregnancy. During pregnancy, if a woman discharges a lot of white water from her vagina, it could be due to the level of estrogen. The level of estrogen increases in the body of pregnant woman, which increases the blood flow in the pelvic area. Mucous membrane becomes active in the body due to increased blood flow. This is the reason why in the early days of pregnancy or even in the later days, white discharge from the vagina, that is leukorrhea, can be quite high. Let us tell you that is a very important to have leukorrhea during pregnancy. Actually, pregnancy discharge removes the dead cells present in the vagina and helps in protecting the birth canal from problems like infection. In this way, with the help of leukorrhea, the presence of good bacteria in the vagina is maintained. White discharge during pregnancy is generally considered safe and beneficial for a pregnant woman, but if white water is coming out in the form of lumps and it also appears thick, then it can become a matter of concern. In this way, along with the discharge of white water, if there is itching and burning in the vagina, then it can be a sign of infection. Many times in the early stages of pregnancy, women have vaginal discharge, pink. Many women also see red spots during post-pregnancy journey. Many women seeing this paining. However, spotting during pregnancy is nothing to worry about. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.